pumpkin tea on this fine morning. Hey, hello, what's up you guys? It is December 24th. It is the last day of Vlogmas. I am going to wrap up my Vlogmas videos here. I will be completely honest, I didn't get much footage from the last week, but the footage that I did get will be in this video today. This video is long overdue. I think it was days 13 through 17, and I was supposed to have them up last Monday/Tuesday, but I had some things happen in my life that have just like turned me upside down a little bit and taken up a lot of my time this week. So better late than never. Before we get into the video, I just wanted to thank you guys so much for watching my channel this year and for seeing my Vlogmas, and I'm actually really proud of the amount of videos that I got out this year compared to the other time that I tried to do Vlogmas. So thank you guys so much for your support. Like always, if you aren't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Give me a big fat thumbs up for my Vlogmas videos. If you're celebrating Christmas where you are, please leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you are doing today. I would love to hear how your holiday is going. Without further ado, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and here is the rest of my Vlogmas for this month. Good morning you guys, happy Vlogmas day. I believe this is gonna be day 14. I missed out on the last couple days simply because your girl has had a head cold. So while I get ready for my day and start filming a couple YouTube videos this morning, I am going to show you guys what all I did this weekend. Goodbye, Dallas. Who is it? Good morning, you guys. Happy Vlogmas! Vlogmas day something. I woke up with a cold yesterday. Right now, I'm on my way to work, and I work until about 4. And then I'm helping Carly move into her new place, and our best friends are coming over from Spearfish. It's about an hour drive, so we don't get to see them very often. They're coming over too. We're gonna have a girls' night. I'm so excited. I will see you guys as soon as I'm off work. Hello. It's much later in the evening. My hair looks like garbage. My face looks like garbage. I'm on my way to Carly's apartment, and I'm going to help her move in some stuff. Hi, hello. For those of you men and women that don't know what a girls' night looks like, this is a girls' night. We're having a BFF time. We're all 21 years of age and decided to prank call, which was just no bueno. Thumbs down. Fucking lint, bro. Good morning, you guys. It's the next day. I'm freezing. Happy Vlogmas day something. Oh my god. I haven't sounded like this in probably like a year. There is a sheet of ice on my windshield. My throat hurts really bad. Good afternoon. I'm currently making lunch. Jagger had Dubs stay the night. If you guys don't know who Dubs is, or Carly, my BFF, go take a look at my last Vlogmas. They were in my family dinner vlog. Your girl feels so sick. So it's about 12. For lunch, I'm making rice bowls. Hopefully this rice sets up real nice. We'll see. I'm gonna turn it down on low, so hopefully she don't burn. And then I've got some veggies in here. Don't mind my butter. I put it in too soon. Probably put a lid on this. I don't know. Okay, Jagger ate like all the chicken, but I've got chicken over here. We're gonna put that inside the rice bowls. This week has not been my week, to say the least. Okay, lunch is served. What do you think, Dallas? Lunch? Chicken? Chicken? Jagger, where are we going? Ice cream. It was at this time Jagger and I got some Cold Stone, nice little ice cream break, and then come to present day. This is present day December 17th? 17th? Is that how we started this video? I think. Present day December 24th. Kelly doesn't know what's going on, but I am doing a get ready with me for this little small portion. This was from my MONEYYY Morphe palette review, and I just decided to... Kona! Now is not time to play. I decided to do my full face of makeup, like film it for this video, and I found it. And y'all, I've been going through the footage of all of Vlogmas, and there is a lot of junk that I did not include in a lot of vlogs that have already gone up or that I was planning for them to go up. Yikes. If you are a YouTuber or you are possibly future Kelly watching this, I dare you to try Vlogmas. It's a freaking vlogging marathon, sis. One thing that Vlogmas did teach me this year is that I do want to vlog my life more often. I thought it was a really, really fun thing to do, especially on the days where I was actually like out doing stuff, or like if I wasn't doing anything, do like a whole week vlog and just compile it. Well, and then it gives me some content for you guys too, and something other than just makeup, because though I do love the makeup, and makeup is my passion and the reason why I started my channel, the life stuff is really, really fun to film. So with this little makeup tutorial that I'm showing you guys right now, if you guys want to go watch this video and see how I did my eye look in depth, I will have that linked right up above on the right side of the screen as usual, and if you can't find it, it'll be linked down below as well. Then you can kind of see my review and my thoughts on the MONEYYY palette. Please stick around till the end of this video for some playlists that I'll have listed, and if you want to skip through this video, I'll have some playlists and other videos listed and linked down below. I would love it if you guys would go check out a little bit more of my channel. Give me a like, give me a comment, give me a subscribe. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, happy makeup time. I'm kind of rambling at this point because this is a lot longer of a get ready with me than I thought, but it's also short at the same time. Today I have Christmas with my family, so I'm super excited for that. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Let's get on to the next portion of this video. Okay, so here's the plan. I know, Dallas. I know. We're gonna go outside. Go outside? I see you. Go outside, let's go. Run. Yeah, run. Go. Let's go. Go. Run. Go. Go. Run. Run. I just filmed my, quit. Oh my God. I just filmed my, I know, go. Anyway, I just finished filming my Morphe x MONEYYY collaboration review. I was really excited to do a review today and actually sit down and do my makeup. Your girl looks beat, sis. I'm gonna take the dogs to the dog park for like a couple hours, I hope. Our poor doggos have been stuck in the house for like the last freaking 5 days. Quality laundry content from a military wife before we go to the dog park. Got the babies. Go's been running? Been running lots. Whew. Naturally, Dallas keeps walking away from me, like wandering. At one point, like, I look down for 2 seconds, I'm like watching Goose and 3 other dogs get in a fight, like around my legs, and I look up a second later and Dallas is totally gone. Just gone. Little adventurers. Sniff, sniff, sniff. Let's talk about the importance of exercising your dogs. It's super duper important. This is Goose, this is Dallas. They like to run around and this was really awesome. Then I give them a bath when we got home, because ew. Woo! It is chilly. Just finished at the dog park. You guys stink. We're gonna get a bath today. Ew! Goose, get back! Back! Goose, gross! Nasty! I'm on my way to the store now. Gotta get some groceries for the week for me and Jagger. Okay, guys, so I just got home. I'm gonna do a little grocery haul for you guys. This clip I actually really want for another one of my videos that I'm going to be posting within the next week or two. I kind of did go a little bit more overboard with the food this week. So just an FYI, you guys, I'm feeding myself and Jagger and an occasional friend that'll come over too for dinner sometimes. Most of all the stuff that I got here today was fresh. This is probably the best that my haul has looked before. So I got this all for, I believe, $112, and that was before discount, so it was $104 for all of this stuff. Don't mind this twisted tea in the back. I didn't buy that today, but these will also go towards meals for the next week and a half to 2 weeks. To basically just to run through, I got some sourdough bread. This is an essential we eat every single week. I get at least 2 different types of protein. So I got chicken and beef, and then I got turkey for myself. I'm actually gonna mix these two and make something with the zucchini squash, the zucchini, and with the bell pepper. Fresh tomatoes I usually don't get. I got a smaller size because I'm making it in a pasta dish later this week, and I'm also going to use either the beef or the chicken for that as well. We go through a thing of medium cheddar every single week. It's actually me. I go through that. I eat way too much cheese. And then I always get frozen veggies. Jagger loves the broccoli. So I got broccoli, and then I got okra back there too. I never get milk, but I got Jagger a thing of milk because typically what I've been doing is just like these little things. These are my cooking milks, I say, so Jagger's not allowed to touch them. I got Jagger a milk, and these pasta sauces will go towards other meals throughout this week, next week, or 3 weeks on. Then I got olive oil. Olive oil is essential in our house, and we just ran out, so I had to get another one of those. This is something that I do not get typically. We actually usually use those little like pod things, but they were literally $18 at the store. So I got the powder because it was only $7, and it's just as many loads as the pods. And last but not least, that already went into the fridge. This is our 5 dozen eggs, you guys. Jagger and I get 5 dozen eggs every week and a half to 2 weeks, depending, just because we have eggs so much in our diet. You guys should know by this point, if you've seen my vlogs and seen like my day-to-day life, I eat a lot of eggs. I eat 3 eggs a day, and sometimes we give the dogs some eggs for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or whatever. Anyway, we really make good use of eggs. So I get 5 dozen for $7 instead of getting 2 dozen for the same exact price. So that's a really good saving tip for you guys. If you have a Safeway in your area, buy 5 dozen eggs because it's gonna last a couple weeks longer than if you were to buy 5 dozen eggs in individual cartons. That's been our trick for the last year, and let me tell you, it has saved us so much money in the long run. Hey guys, what's up? I just wanted to check back in really quick. It's the next day, technically day 15. Hey, what's up? How's it going? If you guys want to see this makeup look, it should be up on my Instagram by the time you guys see this video. I wanted to show you guys what I made for dinner yesterday because I had so many groceries. I'm gonna show you the recipe that I made. I was gonna make stuffed peppers, but I actually ended up making stuffed zucchini. That's extra zucchini guts right there that I like to mix in with that. Mine has yellow peppers in it, and then Jagger's back there is just regular. For now, I've just been editing this video. I'm sorry, this video turned out heckin' long because it turned out to be all of the footage from this weekend and Monday as well. So I'm gonna try to leave this short and sweet. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next one.